Thinking about canceling your Xfinity Internet service but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel your Xfinity Internet, how to avoid extra fees, and what to do with your equipment so you don't incur additional charges. How to cancel Xfinity Internet. Method 1. Call Xfinity. This is the most reliable and quickest way. Step 1. Dial 1-800-934-6489. Step 2. Say cancel service when prompted. Step 3. Verify your account with your name, address, or account number. Step 4. Clearly state you want to cancel, not pause or transfer. Step 5. Ask for a cancellation confirmation number or email. Method 2. Visit an Xfinity store. Step 1. Bring your ID and any rented equipment. Step 2. Tell the representative you want to cancel your internet plan. Step 3. Get a printed or emailed confirmation before you leave. Method 3. Schedule a callback online. Step 1. Log into your Xfinity account. Step 2. Go to the cancellation page and choose Schedule a Call. Step 3. Xfinity will call you at your selected time to process the cancellation. Don't forget to return your equipment. If you're using Xfinity's rented modem or router, you must return it to avoid charges. You can return equipment by dropping it off at an Xfinity store, using a prepaid UPS return label, using an authorized drop-off partner. Once returned, make sure you get a receipt and keep the tracking ID. Are there cancellation fees? Most plans are month-to-month, but some may have contracts. Contract plans may charge around $10 per remaining month, varies by plan. Late equipment returns may be billed at full device cost. Check your final bill. Make sure billing stops on your cancellation date. No extra fees appear. Equipment return is confirmed. May reflect next cycle if your bill already generated. Click the link in the description if you want the full guide. Now you know exactly how to cancel your Xfinity Internet safely and smoothly. Thanks for watching.